Series 7. Make J the subject of the relation. So our given equation is I equals the fraction jk over L multiplying J plus N, right? So let's quickly solve it. So based upon our given preamble in the question, I equals jk over L multiplying J plus N, which is the fraction, right? Okay. So what you have to do is to multiply through by the LCM, which is L multiplying J plus N, right? So the LCM is L multiplying J plus N because, right, this I has an invisible one. Every number is divisible by 1, right? An invisible one. So this one multiplying L multiplying J plus N will give you L multiplying J plus N, right? So that means L multiplying J plus N can go into 1. It can also go into itself, right? So that explains why it is the LCM. So in multiplying L multiplying J plus N to all sides of the equation, we are going to have I multiplying I multiplying L multiplying J plus N equals the fraction JK over L multiplying J plus N, right? Multiplying L multiplying J plus N, okay? So L multiplying J plus N will cancel L multiplying J plus N, right? Leaving JK to stand on its own. So we are going to have I multiplying L will give you IL, right? So we are going to have IL multiplying J plus N equals JK. Okay. So we do some expansion. IL multiplying J will give us ILJ. Okay. IL multiplying positive N will give us positive ILN, right? Which is equal to JK, right? So we have to make J the subject of the relation, right? So ILN equals JK minus ILJ, right? So we factor out the common variable, which is J. Okay, on our right side of the equation, we factor out the common variable, which is J, right? And before that, right, we grouped like terms here. Okay, so ILN is a positive number. We maintained it, right? So positive plus, okay, positive ILN. So we maintained it. And ILJ, right, is also a positive number. So because it is a positive number, it has to cross, it definitely has to cross the equal to sign. And whenever a number crosses the equal to sign, it will change its form, right? It metamorphizes, right, into a new formation, right, into a new form. So this ILJ, which is a positive number, would cross the equal to sign and change its form to become a negative number. So that explains why we have our equation here to be ILN equals JK minus ILJ, right? So hence our equation, which is ILN equals JK minus ILJ, we factor J out because it's the common factor here on the right side of the equation. So we factor J out, and which number in the world, right, can multiply J for us to get JK, and the only number is K, right? So J multiplying K will give us JK, right? Which number in the world can multiply J for us to get negative ILJ, and the only number in the world is negative IL, right? So we have our ILN equals J multiplying K minus IL, right? Or in brackets, right? And so J multiplying K minus IL is 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 a dependent variable, right? It's dependent on K minus IL, right? And we want J to become independent, and right, because we want it to be the subject of the relation. So we want it to stand alone, right? So that means we have to cancel any dependency that is on its path, right? So we cancel K minus IL, which is the dependent variable surrounding J for J not being the subject of the relation. So when we do that, whatever you do for the left hand side, the right hand side, you do same for the left hand side, and vice versa. Okay, so that means we have to cancel each side by K minus IL. So we have our new equation to be the fraction ILN over K minus IL equals the fraction J multiplying K minus IL over K minus IL. So K minus IL will cancel itself out. K minus IL will cancel itself out, leaving J. So you have our J to be ILN. Okay, so we have our J to be the fraction ILN over K minus L. So therefore our J equals the fraction ILN over K minus IL, right? Right, so that's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.